The F81 error code on a Whirlpool washer indicates a malfunction in the water inlet system, resulting in a longer fill time. In some instances, it may be replaced by the LOFL error code. This issue is often caused by low water pressure in the cold and hot external water supply, clogged or kinked supply pipes, clogged filter screens, or poor appliance installation. To resolve this issue, one possible solution is to adjust the external water pressure by ensuring the water supply tab is open, allowing sufficient water supply to the appliance at the correct pressure, and verifying that the hot and cold supply pipes are correctly fitted. Additionally, any kinks or clogs in the supply pipes should be addressed by twisting the pipes to remove kinks, and checking the hoses for clogs by letting water flow through them into containers. If necessary, the hoses should be unclogged or replaced. Cleaning the filter screens is also essential. This can be done by disconnecting the hoses from the filter screens, checking for clogs, and cleaning the filters with a brush and mild soap, followed by a rinse with clean water. Proper appliance installation is also crucial, particularly ensuring the drain hose is installed correctly, with the tip of the stand drain pipe being at least 39 inches from the floor to prevent premature drainage due to gravity.